This is ULEFONE Armor 17 Pro, and today I would like to show how you can connect this device to VPN. So the first step is to download the free Turbo VPN app. So let's launch Play Store, find the app page, and grab the app. Once the app is ready, you can launch it. Then tap at the green continue button over here. Onwards, skip the set. And in order to finally connect to VPN, simply tap at this caret icon. Then confirm or accept the connection request. And here you have it. VPN connection was successfully established, but the app itself shut down. And well, was disconnected, so let's reconnect real quick. So while connected to VPN, you can change the server or even the country that you are connected to. So let's say I'll change mine from Netherlands to LA. And finally, in order to, well, let's keep this ad first. So in order to disconnect or turn the VPN off, you will need to tap at this icon over here, then choose the disconnect option. And well, here you have it already. So that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.